Hi guys, hope you're well today. Just thought I'd do a little video on showing my house progression in Thailand. As you can see, it's virtually nearly all done now. So I'm just getting the security gate fitted, as you can see behind me. And the beauty about it, it's all done by hand, you know. So I'm well happy. Just painting it all up at the moment. I'm getting all the walls painted behind me and all the fence fitted as well. That should be the next couple of days. So that's really looking forward to that to be done. And if I walk over here, I'm getting some solar panels fitted, like lights. So where you can see behind me is the posts. Just walk over to my table over here. These are the solar panels here. They're big lights going to go on top of the bollard or pillar posts, as I say. There's a big range over here, solar. You know, saves it's electricity, green. So that's my pond where I do fishing, which I don't do fishing. I do let the local Thais fish, you know, because they're very, very nice people over here. You know, that's my wall I had fitted over there. Just gives it a bit of security. I'm getting all that painted as well. That's to be white. So it's all looking good. I'm very happy with it. But yeah, it's quite hot over here today. Yeah, it is quite hot today. So it's still quite a lot of work to be done. So where you can see the stones on the floor here, you can see it behind me. I'm getting all that spread across all my on my driveway, you know, so I can park my car there. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. And tell you what guys, it's amazing how much Bitcoin can pay for the house basically. So it's cost me roughly about £40,000 in English USD, so US pounds, sorry, UK pounds, sorry. So it's really one Bitcoin 6 months ago. So it's cost me, including the land, the house to be done, and also the furniture, roughly 40,000. So it's cost me a Bitcoin really 6 months ago, hypothetically. But yeah, you know, that's what, it's amazing that what Bitcoin has changed my life really. I remember in 2020, same thing happened. You know, I had Bitcoin $4,500 and it went up to 23, 25. And then I bought 2 apartments in Spain and now I rent them out, you know. That gives me financial freedom. And also do trade myself, and I also, I'm a marketer. I market crypto trading platforms and businesses. So guys, don't give up, just keep going, just keep going. And I know Bitcoin's dipped today, but hey, who cares? Because you've got to think long term, don't think the short term. Think short term and you sell out the panic, you'll be doing exactly the same thing this time last year or next year or whatever. Blah, blah, blah. It's a cycle, you know. I've even bought Bitcoin on the high, you know, and when it's dropped right down to crazy price, I still held it. Glad I did, because it's gone up, you know. So that's what you know, that's what you got to do, you know. You just got to be patient. If you're into this industry, you have to be patient, you know. As I say, you know, tortoise and the hare, who won the race at the end of the day? The tortoise did, because he was very patient, you know. And that's what you should do. If you're into this industry, or you've started, just be patient, you know. And because long term, Bitcoin will be over 100, 200, 300,000 next few years time. Yes, it might drop down to, you know, be 25% less, but you've just got to hang in there, you know. And don't listen to the FUD and the noise. People saying, "Oh, Bitcoin's going to crash," blah blah. Don't listen to them, you know. If you do, you end up doing exactly the same thing as you did. Yeah, you'll be struggling. You'll be buying your Bitcoin, buying cryptocurrency, selling it, buying it, selling it, buying it at a loss. You know, Christ, don't panic sell. You know, but you know, I don't panic sell. Look what I've got: 2 apartments in Spain and 1 house in Thailand. You know, I've got 2 cars and 1 motorbike. you know, and also got gold and silver, which I do as well, and Bitcoin and other currencies which I hold, and also I do trade, you know. But guys, anyway, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. My name's Matt Feast. Any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. And guys, you know, the sky's the limit. Anyone can do this. All right, guys. Have a great day. Speak to you soon. Catch you later.